shit.
What's up? Welcome to Mantry, the unnamed Mantry cooking show. A good old Caesar salad. We're not gonna stick to the rules, the basics. We're gonna add a little manchego. We're gonna add some fucking buttery, jalapeno croutons. Sourdough, this is the old tear method, okay? All these little irregular nooks and crannies in them, so all the olive oil and butter when we cook it later is gonna kind of seep in there. So a little olive oil, don't worry about how much. For croutons, you always want your pan that goes in the oven, you want it hot, because it's gonna make them crispy. No-brainer Caesar, got a little mustard, anchovy, I go raw egg yolk, garlic, it's gonna smash the garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, the Greek, Italians will love that. Everybody freaks out about anchovies, okay? They're there, you won't even notice them, they give like an umami backbone type thing, throw them in there, doesn't matter. Just keep mashing it in, just mash it all up. So for the whisking part, you're gonna go towel under the bowl. We're just drizzling, see how high you can go. Woo! Okay, lemon juice in. And then finally, it's kind of against the rules, but we're gonna put a little hot sauce in. Like you can add anything to this. You can add bacon fat to it, harissa paste. Fat is basically like a conductor for flavor. Add a shot of tequila, lime juice. It's gonna pick up whatever you get here and disperse it. Pancetta grease, you know, even like things like steak drippings. So that's what you're looking for. It's kind of like glossy. So croutons are out. Time to doctor them up. There's purists out there with croutons. I'm gonna throw a pile of butter on these and a ton of hot sauce. Manchego instead of Parmesan. Porchetta, you can do prosciutto, you can do ham, whatever. Anchovy, just to prove a point, look. Ooh, that's a little strong.